Hi everyone, my name is Nabil Aditya and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I want to talk about a topic that I think very important for all of you as students smoking in area campus. To be honest, during my time studying at this campus, I have never seen anyone smoking around the campus area, and I think that's amazing thing. It shows that students here are aware of the importance of keeping our environment clean and healthy. It also reflects that our university has a strong discipline and a big concern for everyone's comfort. For me, the campus is not just a place to study, but also a place to grow as responsible and educated individuals. If people smoke around the campus, it doesn't only affect the smoker, but also other people who have to inhale secondhand smoke. That will definitely make the learning atmosphere uncomfortable, and I'm really glad we don't have to experience that here. And I'm honestly proud that my campus is free from smoking activities. It creates a positive and fresh atmosphere, and it shows that students here really care about their health and about others. We can walk, learn, and hang out without worrying about cigarette smoke. That's something we should really appreciate. Okay, however, I also understand that smoking is a personal habit for some people. That's why I think if someday there are students who smoke, it would be better to have a special smoking area far from the classroom and study zones. That way, it's fair and respectful for both smokers and non-smokers. In the future, I hope our campus will continue to be a smoke area, a place where everyone can learn comfortable, breathe clean air, and focus on their goals, because a smoke-free campus isn't just a rule, it's a reflection of care, respect, and awareness. So, that's all for my opinion about smoking in campus area. I hope all students can continue to support a clean, healthy, and smoke-free environment. Let's make our campus a better place for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we are going to learn about question word like what, who, where, when, and why that use all the time in English. Sometimes it's easy to get confused about how to use them, but don't worry, we'll go through them one by one. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's go. Okay, have you ever been curious about question word like who, what, where, when, why, and how? Okay, don't worry, because we're about to explore and fully understand what are known as question word, or what can also be called question word. Let's explore this fascinating concept together. Question word. In the world of grammar, question words are the key to understanding how to construct effective and informative question. And in this presentation, we'll briefly discuss what question words are, why they're important, and how they help us understand the broader context in everyday conversation. We'll cover their definition, function, and comprehensive example. Let's get started. Okay. What are question words? Question words, or what we later call question, are question words used to form question in English. They help us obtain the information we need in conversation or writing. For example, the word what is used to ask about something that doesn't have a specific shape or characteristic. It can refer to an object, thing, action, or abstract concept. Example sentence: what is your favorite color? This question finds out a person's favorite color. And then, what time is it? It asks about the current time. What did you eat for breakfast? And this question wants to know what someone eats for breakfast. What is included in question word? Why, what, who, whom, where, which, when, and how. What is included in question word? So we can divide question word into the following categories. First, who, what, when, where, why, and of course how. These are the 5 ways plus 1 height we know. However, there's certainly something missing, right? English doesn't just consist of the 5 W's plus 1 height. Besides those mentioned above, there are additional ones, which, whose, and whom. Okay, let's start. First is who. Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of a person, of group, or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who helps us identify the relevant person or subject in a context. Okay, for example, this is who is he? Who are the parents? Who won the game? Who is that woman? Who is your best friend? Who sing this song? Who is at the door? Who is your favorite color? Yeah, that's it for example who. Okay, next, what. What is an English question word used to ask about objects, activity, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about a particular object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. Okay, next, for example, what is your favorite color? Well, what time is it? What is your favorite book? What are your hobbies? What is the capital of France? What is the purpose of this meeting? What did you eat for breakfast? What is your favorite book? Okay, next, when. When is an English question word used to ask about time or period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, and to help us understand the sequence or schedule of events. For example, when is your birthday? When did you arrive in Jakarta? When is the next train to London? When does this movie start? When will you finish your homework? When did you meet your best friend? When is your flight to Paris? When do the stores close? Next, where? Where is a question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. For example, where is the nearest hospital? Where are my keys? Where is the bedroom? Where did you find this book? Where does your family live? Where can I buy ticket for the concert? Where did you park your car? Next, why? This word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. For example, why did you come to the party? Why are you late? Why do you want to learn English? Why are you crying? Why did she quit her job? Why is the sky blue? Why did you buy that car? Why do people eat breakfast? And next, which? Which is an English question word that helps you choose between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options to assist you in decision making or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. For example, which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? Which phone should I buy, iPhone or Samsung? Which language do you want to learn next? Which team won the champion last year? Which road is faster to get to the airport? Which song is your favorite from the album? Whom is the question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For example, whom did you give the present? Whom did she invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Whom did you see at the movie theater? Whom should I ask for help? Whom are you talking to on the phone? Whom did you meet at the conference? Okay, next, whose. Whose is a question word in English that is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose bag is lying on the table? Whose name did you write on the paper? Whose child is crying in the playground? Whose responsibility is it to finish the project? Whose phone rang during the meeting? Okay, the last one, how. How is an English question word used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out? Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedure involved in a situation or activity. For example, how do you bake a cake? How did you learn to a bike? How did you learn to ride a bike? How can I improve my English speaking skill? How do you solve this math problem? How did you get to the airport? How do you operate this machine? How can I access my email from different device? How do you cook pasta? Okay guys, that's all for today's lesson about question word. I hope this video help you understand how to use them correctly in sentence. Thank you for watching and for learning together with me. See you next lesson and keep practicing and your English every day. See you.